How to pair Bluetooth on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on Bluetooth as shown. You are now in the Bluetooth settings page. From here, turn on the toggle switch for Bluetooth to enable it. Your iPhone will now start searching for available devices nearby. Scroll down to the Other Devices section and tap on the name of the device you wish to connect to. The device will automatically pair and connect to your iPhone. You will see its status change to connected under the My Devices list. Following these steps, you can easily pair a Bluetooth on an iPhone.